Oh my God. She's doing it. She's doing it. Go ahead.
Get that. Get that. Alright guys, pit bike track's done. We're gonna go see what Tanner's doing. Yo, done.
Already?
Yeah, it's done. We're ready to go. You wanna go scope it out?
Yeah.
It's been like a week and a half.
Oh my God, it's done?
Yeah, it's fully done.
Just like that?
Just like that.
It's good to go.
Let's go check it out.
Where do we start?
Show them
Okay,
on
so
that.
you guys have seen the dirt scooter. What's next? Oh my God.
Look at it.
Oh my gosh, everything.
Let's go check it out real quick. Check it out.
So what are we working with, Sonny?
Alright, so turn one into the tree house. As you guys have seen on my last videos. Straight into the Jetta jump.
Oh man.
Into berms. I showed you guys all this earlier, so what do you think?
It looks amazing. Bro, look at it. It's got everything, the whole track.
I think you're ready to rip.
Yeah.
Get your dirt bike.
Can we?
Yeah, let's go.
Like we can literally ride it right now.
Yeah, we can ride right now.
Yep, it's done. Yep.
It's done. We finished pit bike track.
There's a whole lot of dirt bikes, whole lot of motors. Where the women at?
Oh dang, oh dang, oh dang, oh dang. Pretty sweet. Right here. Look at him. Oh!
Dang, dude. Come on, keep it coming hot. Keep it coming. Keep it coming hot. He goes up.
Oh! That is a Jetta. There's not a curlier jump up here. Probably gonna
push down.
The dog is next.
Your family's rooting for you.
I got it.
Oh,
Jesus.
Pull this in. Pull this in. Press that button.
so cute. It's really hot out here.
It's on. So slowly let this out as you're giving gas. Give it some gas.
In the bathroom.
Slowly.
Here she goes.
Slowly let it out. Give it gas.
Oh!
Somebody. Oh.
He needs some milk.
Oh my god. Are you okay? But it's on here too, so.
Oh,
Are you good? Are you good though?
oh my god, down to the thing.
You know,
First place.
so I saw look at her leg. Look at her leg. You got any battle scars? Here, hold it in. Yes.
Oh my God.
And let it out. Put your feet up. Let it out. Let it out.
Go ahead, go.
Yeah, you're good.
Slow.
You a little scared?
Keep it filmed.
Yeah.
Why is she going back to the look? Oh shit.
Let go of it.
Alright, so as you can see, everyone went out down there. We ripped it up.
Oh.
Tanner got his pit bike.
That's my first time ever on a pit bike track. Ever. Like ever riding a track in my
Really?
life.
That's crazy. So that was his first time. It was a couple of boys' first time. I think they like it. comment down below what you think we should do next to the pit bike track. We can make bigger jumps, smaller jumps.
And guys, just as a little reality check, this is like the coolest thing ever. So I want to give a personal shout out to my boy Sonny.
Stop it.
Because he made this happen. And I know I sent some of the Tfox from over here to check out the build process. So everyone, thanks Sonny in the comments down below, because he is helping us make our content more fun and have more stuff to do. And he's a handyman. He came out here with a tractor and built all of this from nothing. Nothing. No plans, no idea, just with the tractor. And you did this.
That's it.
That's literally what happened for the past 2 weeks. Sonny, guys, actually, I don't think Sonny even told you this. He's been coming over here every single morning at 8 a.m. and he leaves at like 4 or 5 p.m. just straight in the tractor. That's it.
I appreciate it. Yep.
He made it happen. Give me a high five, bro.
High five, dude.
Thank you, man.
Yep, I'm glad you like it, bro. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much. Like, subscribe to my channel.
You know how that goes. Turn on post notifications. Come on, Fox fam. I know you're watching right now. Turn off post notifications. Subscribe. Come on, please.
There you go.
For Sonny.
That's it.